What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I know we haven't been vlogging for a long time because I don't know why, but let's get in. I want to show you guys where we're at with things. We got a bunch of stuff going on as always. The Super got hit. If you haven't been following me on Instagram and seen that, I'll show you a quick little sneak peek. No big deal. Car got hit. That's why we got insurance. All good. Let's roll.
Bam! Hey guys, welcome you guys back to the vlog. Now, you guys probably don't know this already, but the Super got hit last week. Let me show you guys the damage you guys right there. But it's all good, guys. We have insurance for a specific reason. Now we're probably gonna end up either selling this car or totaling it out because there's no point in keeping the Super anymore. Cause it's just a BMW. It's a Beamer, bitch. It's a BMW. let's get to it.
This is crazy, dude. Look at us. Look at us.
What the fuck?
I'm 18 years old. Alright, today we're going to be filming some skits for Black Friday. We have our Black Friday sale coming up, so if you guys don't know, if you visit our website, we always got a bunch of cool stuff on there, but on Black Friday we're going to have a sale, so with that said, we're going to be filming some skits. You'll probably see some behind the scenes of that today, and there's also a Porsche getting wrapped back there, so get back there, show them some of that so they can see the wrap content that they all came here to see, and then see us be stupid.
So this is gonna be probably the hardest part of the car, is trying to tuck all this in here, and I'll show you guys. So it's kind of hard to get my tool in there, so I just kind of have to play with it like that, and then that's when I'm able to take this little tool right here and just slowly like tuck all of this in here. And that probably took me a good solid like 30-40 minutes just to do this whole section. So, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's like really nice finished product.
It's intricate and nice. Yes. Intricate is the word you're looking for. Intricate. Yes. It tucks.
Very detailed.
He's very good at tucking, like how he tucks his.
And Anthony's mouth.
That's going on YouTube. He's a.
Hey, yo, this guy's
It's not sticking as much as before.
no fucking way, dude. Are you serious?
Yeah, grew it out the foot.
Where's my rep shirt?
Wait, can we have fucking Daniel walk through the door and you come out?
Yeah,
Like
okay.
you walk through the door and then you come out.
Come over here.
No, give me.
Come over here.
I got two bosses.
You gotta go in there. Yeah, you gotta go in there. Yeah, we'll go in there.
Dude, I gotta get this stuck on. It's not sticking on. How do you put yours on so tight?
He thought of that all night last night. He was trying to think of stuff to say. Alright. Give me your jacket. Okay. When you
This is a large?
the medium.
The medium?
Looks good on him.
Girl, where's your pen?
You got some, wait, you got some white stuff in the beard on the side.
That's normal.
That's normal. You got a little cup on your lip. Oh, that's normal. It's like one piece of vinyl.
This is really like itchy. So, how are we gonna do this? Should we do like a motivational thing with Dan, or should I be, you know, like that one skit of like how the president can't talk like the president, so he has a translator?
Yeah. Hey.
You know that one?
For your beard, can I like just chop off this right here and then just put it right here?
Can you?
You look like an Asian man.
I look like a, yeah.
You look G, bro. You
You
need
look
to
like
grow
a
that
Hulk.
shit out. I can't stop staring at him. Like, I'm kind of like,
I kind of
I
want
hope you didn't catch that, because I was like in love with him for a minute, dude. Like, he was cute.
I want to make out with this.
Making ourselves a bottle. So you really cut yourself,
Yeah.
like, really bad.
That's really bad.
I was like, who's Daniel? I don't know which one is Daniel.
That's me. That's me if I had a big.
What are we gonna write on there? Horse tranquilizer?
What should this say? How do you spell enlarge?
N-L-A-R-G-E.
N.
We can do that. That would be pretty funny. Actually.
Let's just start it then. Let's just do it.
All right, we'll do that skit.
Quiet on set. Extra premium.
Oh, it worked. With my cross-eyed. You gotta try this, man. Like, yeah, I gotta do that. You gotta try this.
No, I just be like,
Yeah, you're looking. Yeah, like that reaction. And then he tries it, and then I don't know how to do the transition to whereas you come out fully dressed as him.
oh, you just take the sweater.
Yeah, the sweater and the hat. That's it, and that's it, and then hold the henny.
And then somebody should walk up and be like, Anthony, dude, you got a hickey. You didn't have that this morning.
And good.
Bam! Yo, you gotta try this, Anthony. This is gonna be like Canelo right now. You gotta try this extra premium.
Okay.
Trust me. Trust me. Try it out.
I'll try it.
Try it out. You're gonna love it. I'm like Canelo right now, dog. You don't even know. Try it. How I'm gonna wrap this.
Ready? Go.
Yo, Daniel, this shit actually worked.
Ready? And go. Alright, retake. Go.
Yo, Daniel, this shit actually worked.
I told you, dog. That shit's dope.
Yo, what are you doing?
Black Friday. Oh, son of a.
Big D! You brought your science project?
Yeah,
You get an A+?
yeah,
I love you, dog. I'm so proud of you, bro.
thanks.
Hey, if the vlog doesn't know, that's my little homie right there. Look at him. That's me. That's me fucking 3 years ago. Hey, we're going to lunch real quick. You've seen us goof around all day, but we gotta eat at some point. So we're gonna go eat real quick. We'll come back and we'll keep you guys updated. So today was a random vlog. You've seen us do some skits. You've seen us film some skits. You've seen some car wrap footage. You went to lunch with us. What is this all about? We are having a Black Friday car meet here at our shop. We wanted to have some cool campaign, you know, showing you guys about it, talking about it. So that's what we filmed all day. But I want to extend the invite out to you guys on YouTube because you guys are our fam, and we're gonna chill with our fams on Thanksgiving night, but then we're gonna come here and hang with the Premium fam and the Rev fam. Both companies will be here. We're gonna have a little Black Friday retail pop-up shop, probably have some cool guest appearances. This whole place will be designed out, and we welcome everybody to the shop. We want you to come hang out with us. Bam! All right, guys, we made a mistake. We do that often. The mistake was I told you guys the meet was gonna be on Friday, and I was wrong. My crew told me a couple days later after they watched the film that I made a mistake. We're actually gonna be throwing this car meet on Saturday from 2 to 5 p.m. I was totally off. So this Saturday, 2 to 5 p.m., come visit us at the shop, bring your car, come hang out with us. We got a lot of people showing up that I know of so far, so I'm excited to meet with a lot of you guys. We're gonna have a bunch of exclusive apparel that's only gonna be available here. And yeah, we just love to connect with you guys. So 2 to 5 p.m. on Saturday. I don't know the date off the top of my head, so I'll put it right here on the screen. That's all, guys. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. I got so much to tell you guys. You know, we've been having, I'm gonna just start ranting again. We haven't been vlogging for a long time, but there's a good reason. And we're coming back with the fire. I'm telling you guys, you want to stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming. So that's all I'm gonna leave you with. We'll talk about it in the next vlog. We'll see you guys. Extra premium.
Oh. It worked. Bam! Yo, you gotta try this, Anthony. This is gonna be like Chanel right now. You gotta try this. Extra premium.
Okay.
Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
Yeah,
Try it out.
I'll try it.
Try it out. You're gonna love it. I'm like Chanel right now, dog. You don't even know. Try it.
Yo, Daniel, this shit actually worked.
I told you, dog. That's just dope.
Yo, what are you doing?
Black Friday car meet.
Black Friday car. Heat.
Yo, Jack,
What do you want?
you need to try this.
What is it?
Extra premium.
Jack! Jack! I have a question.
What you need?